The cost of buying a home is about 80% more expensive than it was just 3 years ago. The cooling of the housing market in the Lehigh Valley is likely due to rising mortgage rates, record high sales prices, and the lack of inventory. This could price out many buyers and lead to a further slowdown in the market. Hi, I'm Bill Kuklinski, and this is your real estate market update for July. According to the housing report, the number of new listings decreased by 19.9% to 876 homes compared to 1,094 homes last year. The number of pending sales decreased by 11.9% to 745 homes from 846. Closed sales dipped 18.3% to 750 homes from 920 last year. In July, homes sold on the average in 14 days, decreasing to 13, down 7.1%. Inventory of homes available is still not at sufficient levels. There were 826 units in July compared to 1,022 last year. The month supply of inventory also decreased 14.3% to 1.2 months compared to 1.4 in 2021. Despite all the declining numbers, prices continue to rise. The average sale price increased 13.8% to $352,943 from $310,088 at this time last year. This trend is likely to continue as the Federal Reserve continues to hike interest rates. This will lead to even more expensive mortgages and fewer people being able to afford to buy a home in the Lehigh Valley, as the cost of housing has outpaced wage growth. If you have any questions on how the market could affect your unique situation, please reach out. I'd love to help. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.